Hello everyone. Civics chapter 4, Growing Up as Boys and Girls. In this chapter, today we talk about value of household work, okay, or the life of domestic worker. So first of all, let's talk about valuing house work, okay. Gender inequality is the result of social conditioning and stereotype. The work done by the woman at home is not valued, and they are often uh, taken for granted. Women are not seen as a breadwinner, but essentially a nurturer and caregiver. Such attitudes give rise to inequality in the society. Gender inequality is essential for social and gender equality, not inequality. Gender equality is very essential for social and economic development. Equality is important principle of our constitution. Therefore, it is responsibility of the government to ensure the women at birth are treated at birth with men. In the past, the government had taken several steps to solve the problem of gender inequality. Like in year 2001 was declared as a Swashakti, or the year of empowerment of women. The National Literacy Mission and the Sakshar Bharat Sakshar Bharat Mission was launched to improve the female literacy level. In this way, or like very important, the Beti Bachao Andolan. In this way, the government has taken many steps to improve the inequality, gender inequality exists in the society. In these, through these several programs, they try their best to remove this kind of inequality from the society. As you can see in this chapter, the Hermes family did not think that the work of Jaspreet did with the house was really work. Everyone taken her work as taken for granted. This feeling is not unique to their family or only for the Hermes family. This is for across the world. The main responsibility for housework and caregiving their children or looking after the family, especially the children, elderly or sick member, lies with the woman. That everyone take this as that this is the responsibility of the woman, okay, to take care their family. Because what we have seen that the work of the woman do within a home is not recognized as a work. Okay, it is also always assumed that it is a something that the come naturally to women, so therefore does not have to be paid. This way the society devalue the work, not giving any kind of value, or it's mean the society devalue the house of work. Okay, I hope it is understood by all. Here they talk about the life of domestic worker. In the story above, we discussed about the Hermit's mother was not only the woman who did the housework, lot of work, okay, in whole day, but no one given any respect to her. So let's talk about the Mangala, the domestic worker who helped the Hermit's mother in her household work. Like they do, the domestic worker do lots of work like swimming, cleaning, washing, or looking after the young children and elderly. Okay, most of the domestic worker were women. If we talk about the domestic worker, the most of the domestic worker कौन होते हैं? Women. If we compare with the woman with the male counterpart, so we paid less salary to her because we people not give respect or value to her work, value of her physical work. So that is why. So that kind of inequality exists in our country, that we not pay the domestic worker, those are domestic worker women, the handsome salary, good salary to her. Okay. Uh, most domestic workers are women. Sometimes young boys and the girls are employed to do this work, but this is against our constitution. If the boy and girl, any child work in the home as a domestic worker and he or she is in below the age of 14, so this is crime, this is punishable, it is coming under the forced labor. Okay. Wages are low, so which wages they collected from their master, these are very low. Domestic worker day can become as early as 5 in the morning and as late as their employer often do show them much respect. Sorry, at 12 at night. Despite the hard work they do, their employee often don't show work they do. Now, here is the example of this is what the Melanie, a domestic worker, had to say about experience of working in Delhi. Okay. What she said, my first job was the rich family and that lived in a 3-storied house. The Memsa was very strange as she would shout to get any work done. My work was in the kitchen. Okay. She was busy in kitchen work all the time. So there were 2 other girls who did the cleaning. Our day would begin कितने बजे से start होता था? At 5 o'clock her work start. For breakfast we get a cup of tea and 2 dried rotis. We could never get a third roti. So her diet is fixed by their honor. In the evening when I cook the food, the 2 other girls would beg me to give them an extra roti. I would okay, I would secretly give it to them and make an extra one for myself. It's what these things show, that what kind of diet provided or facilitated by their master, so that was not enough for the workers because they do lots of hard work, or for lots of hard work they require lots of the uh, good in good quantity type. Okay, diet in good quantity. We could not wear chappal in the house. You think about in winters. In the winter, our feet would swell up with the cold. So it's mean they were doing in a very harsh condition. I used to feel sacred for the Memsa, but also felt angry and humiliated all the time. As she has already told that her Memsa was very strained because all the time she would shout to get any work done. Did we not work all day? Did we not deserve the treat with some respect? So this thing shows that the condition of domestic worker. Okay. So their work were not giving any kind of respect in the society. If we talk about rural area, so the women are involving in a lots of physical work. They drag the water from the river, which the river is very farm for their houses, their home. In last during lockdown, I have seen the documentary of one house, one village, the Jaipur village, where the men were busy in there playing cards and they gossip. And the women were whole day they were busy in the household work. They fetch the water from the well and the ponds. Okay, so they were busy in that kind of work, and they were carried that time in that documentary. All the women are carrying the lots of weight of the water on her head. Okay, so this kind of condition is very common in our rural area. We people are not giving respect to the women. We, ये हमारा माइंड सेट है कि ये तो औरतों का ही काम है. So this is very bad. This inequality exists in our country. Fine, because we people not give respect or aspect that housework is a time consuming work. If we added up the housework or the work women outside the home, we find the women spend much more time working than the men and have much less time for leisure, for their entertainment. Okay, here we talk about the women work and equality. Yes, I have already told you that women work is not giving any respect. If we talk about the women's salary, so the women are paid less comparatively male part.